that beautiful bird. He or she always comes to visit me when I'm digging. I do not know what type of bird that is, but it's so beautiful. It has like a tannish bottom half, and then the top looks like a dark blue or black, and then look at how long the tail is. You know what I'm doing is I'm gonna plant my sage, my other sage plant right there. So let's get planting. Even Mr. Henry agrees. Oh, looking for the word. Okay, so here is my hole or puka for my sage plant. Now this is the, I know what variety this is. This is the broadleaf. And it really needs to get in the ground because obviously, look at how dry the top is. The pot is already, you know, the pot's really small for my sage plant. So I am gonna put this sage plant maybe a little bit deeper. Right there. Then I'm just gonna fill the hole up. And give it a press. And then it looks like it might just rain, so I am gonna just wait a little while and then see if it rains, because it does look like it. If it doesn't, I'll give it a good water. Look at this. These beautiful chicks. They have a clean bin. I just cleaned their bedding. They have fresh water. They have food that they already scratched the wood shavings in. And then I also put up a little roost for them. I just cut the bamboo to fit in the bin. It's really snug. Like I had to really push it down. So I think it'll be okay for now. But, oh, are you looking at me? Are you smiling at the camera? But later on, I'm gonna bring them outside on the grass so they can scratch and run and play. But it's so sad because my hen that went broody, she hatched out 5 chicks, and one ended up dying, and then the other 2 got smashed. I went to check on them in the morning, and they were like in the bin and like pretty much smashed. It was so sad. But so 3 died, and then 2 survived, And then I have my two in here that I hatched in from the incubator. But chicks, these chicks grow so fast. Look at that one. What is she doing? But they're hungry and thirsty, and I just love watching these little chicks. I hope I get at least 2 hens. So cute. I can watch them all day. I want to see if they actually jump onto the bamboo. They might be a little bit too young, but you never know with chickens. They already jump and fly up. I had them in like a basket when I had to change their bedding, and they flew right out of the basket. So don't let these little fellas fool you.